dunya is nasib. How much are you going to spend in this life? Wallahi, I tell you, how many million do you want? 1, 2, 3, 5, 10? Let's make it interesting. 100 million. After that, what will you do? Nothing. If you eat at the most expensive place every day, you still will not use 100 million. So what are you going to do? Your 1 million, 5 million, more than enough. Subhanallah. The wealthy will look at me and say, you don't know what you are talking about. And the poor, they'll say, never mind, 1,500,000 is enough for me. That is the world. So Allah says, nasib fid dunya, la tansa nasibaka min ad-dunya. Don't forget your portion on earth. You have a portion. Be happy with it. And then, when you have a little bit more, what should you do? Ahsin kama ahsana Allahu ilayk. Do good to others, like what Allah did good to you. Allah did good to you. It's your turn. I gave you more than you need. Why did you give me more than I need, oh Allah? So that you can spend on others. Do good. Did Allah do good to you? Yes. Are you ready to do good to someone else? Who are you to Allah? You are just a person, a creature of Allah. He doesn't need you, but He loves you. He gave you more than you need. He says, I gave you more than you need so that you can do good, like how I did good to you.